10 incredible animals that live in Antarctica. As the southernmost continent, Antarctica is home to the South Pole and a fascinating population of animals specifically adapted to its harsh environment. Because of the cold and windy conditions, many local residents, like whales, penguins, and seals, rely on blubber, waterproof feathers, and unique circulatory systems to survive. Birds like the Arctic tern and snow petrel have also evolved to defend themselves on land and hunt in the icy waters. 10. Arctic tern. Arctic terns are medium-sized birds that migrate from the Arctic to the Antarctic. Traveling around 25,000 miles every year, they spend winters or southern summers in Antarctica. The birds can live between 15 and 30 years and, like snow petrels, can grow up to about 15 inches in size. To adapt to their migratory habits and icy conditions, Arctic terns have a high metabolic rate and long, angular wings that let them fly longer distances than most birds. 9. Weddell seal. Weddell seals have smooth, blubber-covered bodies that allow them to dive to depths up to 2,000 feet and stay underwater for up to 45 minutes. This unique feature, combined with whiskers and large eyes, help them hunt for fish and other marine life. 8. Wandering albatross. The wandering albatross is a large bird with a remarkable 11-foot wingspan. The wandering albatross's unique beak structure features nostrils that help them smell prey from miles away. Their nostrils also close to prevent water from entering while they swim and dive. 7. Chinstrap penguin. Growing to only about 30 inches in length, chinstrap penguins are small but mighty. Not only are they the most aggressive penguins, chinstraps typically swim up to 50 miles off the shore to feed on krill, as well as some fish, shrimp, and squid. 6. Snow petrel. Snow petrels are medium-sized birds, between about 11 and 16 inches, that have the ability to nest in crevices. This lets them keep out of the cold wind and helps them stay away from skuas and other predators. Their webbed feet also prevent them from slipping on the ice and make it easier to swim when necessary. 5. Leopard seal. Like penguins and other animals that live in Antarctica, leopard seals have thick blubber to retain body heat. Their bodies are also streamlined and extremely muscular, which helps them swim up to 24 miles per hour and dive up to depths around 150 feet to capture their prey, often krill, fish, penguins, and sometimes other seals. What's more, leopard seals have nostrils that can be closed to keep water out when they're diving. Other helpful adaptations include large eyes to maximize light intake underwater and whiskers that help them sense movement when hunting. 4. Antarctic krill. The Antarctic krill has a population density around 280 to 850 krill per cubic foot, making it one of the most abundant species on Earth and an important source of food for larger animals in Antarctica. According to a study published in the journal Deep Sea Research, Antarctic krill is a keystone there are over 400 million meaning that without it, Antarctic webs in the southern ocean surrounding the South Pole. The tiny crustaceans are mostly transparent with some orange to red coloration punctuated with large black eyes. Male elephant seals grow to about 13 feet and 4,500 pounds. They can dive up to about 8,000 feet deep and spend about 90% of their lives hunting for fish, squid, sharks, and other prey underwater. This is facilitated in part by their unique circulatory system that diverts blood away from their skin and to their heart, lungs, and brain. Elephant seals also have the ability to store low oxygen blood during dives and rely on bradycardia, wherein their heart rate slows down to manage their oxygen levels. Emperor penguins are the largest penguins and among the most charismatic because of their unique breeding habits. After laying a single egg, the female passes it to her mate for incubation and goes out looking for food, sometimes traveling 50 miles to the ocean. During this time, the male fasts for more than 100 days while incubating their egg and awaiting the female's return. In the water, emperor penguins can dive up to 1,850 feet, the deepest of any bird, and can stay underwater for longer than 20 minutes. On land, the birds stay warm by huddling together in groups. 1. Killer whale. Also known as orcas, killer whales are one of the most widely recognized species in Antarctica. Found in oceans around the world, these whales are uniquely suited to the icy Antarctic waters and have a layer of blubber that helps them maintain their body heat while diving to depths over 325 feet.